EAS power switch is a new EAS line for Edge products. Basically includes our EAS starter kit once again, where it plugs into the OP2 port cable as well as the EAS connection, our EAS connection, and then our cable that runs down that actually ties into a power and ground signal, and then your 2 signals to control your switches. So we're actually going to show you kind of how this works with the new switch screen that we have on the CTS2. So once you get it all plugged in, you have your device in your power mode. Basically what we can do is come down here, go into your menu options, do your layout, and then from this point you can say, okay, I want to change the layout number 1, and then we can pick which layout screen that you want. So on our new layout screen, you can see the switch screens over here. You'll select it, go back, we can hit the home key, and it will go back to the main menu. And now you can see we have this new switch panel screen that we added to the CTS2. Since we have our CTS2 hooked up to our power switches currently, you can see there's switch 1 and switch 2. You can leave them as simple as that and basically toggle the switch and it turns on the light. So it actually looks like a full toggle switch panel. Toggle it off and it turns it back off. You can see your digital gauges up here on the top and go through it. So if you touch and hold and let go, you can actually go into the main menu options here. In here, you can actually switch the switches that you're set up. You can rename the switch, so if you want to say light bars or fog lights, you can rename them all through the device themselves. Change the color of the LED light that's showing up in your switch panel. You can change the switch information and exit view. So if you wanted to go in here and rename the switch, it tells you what to do here, how many characters, and you can actually use a keyboard. Once you name it, you're done. You go back, say here on the button light, we're gonna go into our color mixer. Currently it's blue. We're gonna drag it down here, we're gonna make it green looking. So we're gonna press OK, enter. We're done naming it, we're done switching there. Hit the home key, come back, and now on your switch panel, when you turn it on, it will be a green display and the light will turn on. Touch it again, light will turn off, and the switch is off. And that is the EAS Power Switch addition you can add to the CTS2 device with the new EAS Power Switch screen.